Hi, this is Tahir again. Um, I had a problem with the Honor Watch Magic 2, and you have asked me to press it for 16 seconds, press the power button for 16 seconds so that it can be restarted. So I have already tried it, but I want to make a video for your uh, satisfaction as well. Okay, so this was my account on AliExpress. This is the watch here. So let's open a watch clock time actually here. To record it, I have pressed the watch for 16 seconds. Let's press the power button. This is the power button up here, so I will press it. You can see I have pressed the button and the time has started. Okay, now I am getting some Honor logo. The time I started at 38. Let's keep it pressed. You can see I have pressed the button. Actually, the logo Honor is coming, but the watch is in kinds of some loop, so it's not basically starting. It's just stays on this logo of Honor. You can see I have pressed the button. The power button is pressed. I hope you can see. Okay. Already 30 seconds have passed and still nothing. I will still keep on pressing if it has to do something. So let it do basically some hard reset or something. It's giving me a lot of troubles. Look, now it's off. I will release the power button. Okay. So you see, even after pressing it, now I'm pressing it multiple times. You can see. I hope my camera can show you. It's very small. So let's try it again, maybe. I've pressed the power button again. But it has some serious problem. I mean, this is not about, I think, hard reset or soft reset. This watch has some serious problem. After some time it gets shut down. Like last time I told you, after that it started in the middle, but again today in the afternoon it again went off, and still the charging is there. Okay, it's not like the battery is empty, still it's charged, and it just goes away, like I don't know, it just shuts down. Now you can see I will release the power button. So I just want you to see. Okay, I released it. So nothing, even after 2 minutes. Okay, so please give me either refund or something for this watch, because this is useless now. I mean, it's not working. Even within 1 month it started malfunctioning. There's some serious problem with this watch.